Hello! In front of me I have AGPTek LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the FitCloudPro application. Also, check if the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the FitCloudPro application on the phone that is paired with our smartwatch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon. Wait until the watch is connected with your phone. It should say connected right here. Once it is, scroll down through this page and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it. Tap on Restore to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, it means that the factory reset is complete. And now we can close the app. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.